अस्सलाम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। My good name is Shahid Mahmood. I'm from UMT Sialkot campus. We will discuss about the topic is the Industry Revolution 5, and also we will intro the 3 and 4 revolution of the industry. So I will submit the assignment to Dr. Hammad Majeed sir. Introduction. Firstly, we will discuss about the industry revolution and its key points about the 5 revolution, and then comparison 4 and 5, and shift toward how we shift 4 to 5 and 5 next in future. We will discuss about 6. No challenges. Also, we will discuss about challenges and future reactions and technologies of 5, and also convergence with the 5 technology. And last one is conclusion. We will draw from the this lecture. So, firstly, the introduction. The term industrial revolution was used in 19th century. Economic historian Arnold Tabby is described the Christian economy of development from 1760 to 1840. An industrial revolution has two components: creation of new technology and change in production brought about by the technology. Each time a new technology is created, the manufacturing process Richard of the notes as a revolution become more complicated, multiple new technologies are discovered and the process accelerates. The first revolution missionized the textile industry. The second revolution gave the assembly line and high volume industrial production and high mass consumption. The third allowed information captured in digital format and the cost effective transformed, manipulated and transmitted. The fourth revolution, industrial revolution, has provided us with robotic, artificial intelligence, and augmented reality and the virtual reality. The fifth is strike balance between the machine and human engagement. The fifth industrial revolution have potential to initiate a new social economic era that close the gaps between the top and the bottom, creating infinite opportunities for humanity and the better planet. In the contrast to trend in the fourth industrial revolution toward the dehumanization, technology and innovation, best practice need to the bend back toward the service of humanity. We are trying to make fifth as a gateway to the smooth transitioning of the world from 4 to 5. The fifth IR of hope is defined of the cross-section SDG aligned movement are going global and becoming the increasing democratic DST aligned leadership in the merging of the countries like India, which is the experience in historically unparalleled demographic divided demand of the young people rising who have the keen desire of the better world. Forward-thinking comparison companies are trying to this teach leader IBM, for example, is the expensive 2 lakh girls into the STEM living learning program in the India to help the change to gender imbalance in the teach sector. There, 100-year-old Tata Trust the philosophic arm of the powerful Tata uh, con- conglomerate in the India. So, the new crowdfunding platform that reflected the global and increasing democratized nature of the push toward the global goals. The people prior the people prize found in the initial grant from the US based Seminian Families Foundation was just announced in the School World Forum in Oxford and new SDG focused social internet entrepreneurship prize offering hundred of the $1,000 of those venture that the demonstrate of people around the world why their project should be founded to scale. This just an example of the price selection process. The movement moves beyond traditional back box judging panels and the pushy decision making between the vetted application in emerging class of micro donor. It's the encouraging trend. Key driver of the Industry 5. Industry 5 believe that the IR5 focus on stakeholder values rather than the stakeholder values, shareholder values. It means that it focus on a share, stakeholder values, not shareholder values. Reinforces industry roles and the contribution of society to society below are the IR5. Human centric, human engineering and the craftsmanship are combined to the speed, efficiency, and consistency of report in IR5. Thus, the promoted human environment, talent, and the discovery. Sustainability, addi- additive manufacturing, often known 3D printing, is one of the most notable elements of IR5 and the used to make manufacturing item more sustainable. In IR5, additive manufacturing aim to improve the customer happiness by incorporating benefit from into the goods and services. It means that we will committed to excellence in design and manufacturing of all these from robotic things and continues to improving quality management system while complying with station and regulatory requirements. Now we discuss about resilient. The term resilience refers to necessity to improve the industrial production of robustness. High resilience can be attained when the human or robotic operate together. Reduced cost and environmental control, climate, humidity, temperature, and energy usage of all monitoring in the real time and predicting using smart network sensor and specialized algorithm. This is especially beneficial in form of that highly dependent on the weather, knowing that the accept where the act as might help to avoid the custom mistake and the boost the in output. The fifth item always focus on sustainability and environment friendly business where the business revolution consists with the highly resilience and cooperation of human and all of achieve the SDG 2030. Notable five reward that valuable, valuable customer for taking sustainable action for five-year fifth generation blockchain that aim to bring the paradigm shift from the profit to for written economy. 15 is to on the mission of the cater of the never before to solve the problem of the sustainability and create platforms to transform the business from the current industry 4 to 5, where businesses act as a force for good and benefits coexist. Fifth, in the intent of the leading blockchain economy to solve the sustainability issues with the more technology, core technology that is the proof of fifth, which integrates sustainability and social impact that is consume machine level by economic rewarding companies for their sustainable practices. So we discussed about the comparison of IR 4 and 5. Industry, the goal of the automate process in the 5. And but in the 5, goal of strike balance between machine and human engagement. The most crucial fact was technology. The most crucial collaboration in the fifth was between people and robots. The entire environment is virtual, but the fifth shift back to real worlds. It means that it is better than four. The new smart technology were adopted. The number of personal and reduced. The increase of the number of people who come into the contact with the machine. Machine was smarter than and more linked to the workplace, but the cognitive computers or human intelligence are being combined. There is no way to personalize or customize the product. Personalized and customized product available in the fifth industry revolution, allowing to product improve the tailored need of the person. It's still tossing back forth between renewable and the non-renewable energy sources, but is a friendly renewable and non-renewable energy more than often. Okay. Now we discussed that in the 1760, that first revolution introduced that derived from the water and steam power, and when come second revolution, mass production using electrical energy and assembly line, and the third one is automated production due to the rising of telecommunication, electronics, and computer growth. And the no first fourth last one, second last one is that use of the cyber physical system connected to devices of automate process further. Now we discuss in 2021 the independent and main machine using correlative of human intelligence that like the personal intelligence that industrial revolution, digital drugs, that energy into the data security and the blockchain. It's the three steps to involve in the that potential and challenges and the future directions. No challenges and future directions in the potential of five applications in five industry revolution power. That's it shown the table. Digital drugs, fusion energies, potentialized COVID topic, innovation ecosystem, intelligence traffic, smart vision, green ecology, smart practice, and someone are present and someone are out of the way. So we discuss about the fifth chair industry and technology. Blockchain technology are often significant value additions in future industries, centralize the management of the large number of heterogeneous connected devices in the Industry 5 is a critical challenge. Blockchain can be used to design the decentralized and distribute management platform for the enabling this distributed trust. The immutable ledger that supports the operational redundancy and the accountability for the significant of industrial revolution 5 application, especially transparency in the importance is the dispute resolution in industry 5 ecosystem. The smart contract can be used to security enforcement such that authentication as well as automated service oriented action of the future industries 5 application also high level of the protection of data and transaction can be offered by using the centralized and distributed approach using blockchain. No. Fifth technology has the potential to provide the significant value of IR5 to in future. IR5 centralizes the administration of higher number of heterogeneous linked devices of major difficulties by enabling distributed trust. And fifth technology may be utilized to construct decentralized the distributed management solution for effective subscriber management in IR5. Fifth chain technology may be utilized to generate the digital identity for the various person and business. It is required for assistant management and the authentication of stakeholders in the industry active that take place in the way of internet. Additional, these digital identities may be used to manage properties, belonging items, and services. Fifth technology may also be used to categorize the same original work and register IP rights by automating the agreements procedure between diverse patients, and the fifth technology can be assist as the automate of the central processes. So we discuss about the industry fifth primer and the emergence and fifth blockchain of technology. Limitations of fourth and solution that can be obtained from the five. Leave all the works using the generate best experience for themselves. But related lens of the network people that are control the process of streamline and industry process. No. Administrative access of limited is signal party which increase data tamping and misplaced control. Only ins insertion of is allowed to prevent the tamping and ensure transparency. Place the barrier of the network location with the increase of the board communication yield of the more productive increase the set of control to generated. Not customized as per personal needs, allowing hyper customize the large scale by ensuring the data privacy using the 15 technology, and also is trusted authorized customer by current solution that is not present but ignored in the for industry regulation. So conclusion that five blockchain ecosystem is being the fourth sustainability technology and innovation is built fifth industrial revolution mission of the five ecosystem is to embed for the benefit paradigm have of the heart of the blockchain by highly incentivized practice that align with the United Nations Sustainability Development Goals SDG. It means that SDG, therefore facilitating the transition from the fourth and fifth assuring happening unity of the purpose and inclusive trust the shapes of ethics, business, and collaboration of toward the sustainability while providing cross-chain environment as well as advanced governance and rewarding mechanism for the participants. That's we have I have topic that we discuss about fourth and five, and later we discuss about the sixth generation of industry. Thank you so much.